This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Claudia Schwab. This beautiful 3/2 home in sought-after Greenbrook Village subdivision of Lakewood Ranch has a very open floor plan and a beautiful view of the lake from the good-sized, screened-in lanai and a large backyard. The A-rated elementary and middle schools are in walking/biking distance, as well as playgrounds, sports fields, nature paths and dog park. Enjoy LWR Main Street with its restaurants, shops, movie theater and mini golf. For your daily needs there are ample shopping possibilities around the corner, and it's only a short drive to I-75. Home features a good-sized master bedroom and master bathroom and 2 walk-in closets. All tiled for easy cleaning. Pets allowed with additional monthly pet fee of $50/pet. For more information, review the details below or contact Claudia Schwab at 954-693-0100.